The Jack Dempsey is a cocktail which would be named after that patron who thinks they're the hardest man in the land. The kind of person who during that internet fad wouldn't need 99 men to back them up in a fight with a gorilla in hand-to-hand combat. And on a Friday night after a few drinks, would be standing outside the zoo shouting, "Come on then, let's have it!" Whilst Harambe is in there thinking, "Step inside mate, make my day." If you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button like a silverback gorilla, as I'd love to try and finish this year with 500 of you on this channel. The ingredient lineup. Firstly, this sorry fun size excuse of a lemon. We've got white rum, London dry gin, simple syrup, and obviously lemon juice, which is going to be like getting blood out of a stone. Let's kick this one off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of rum to our shaker. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of gin. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice from these lemons, which were like stones. Follow this up with around 2 Barspoons, that's 10 ml of simple syrup. Add plenty of ice and give this a shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. Wise, believe it or not, this is a 1970s drink and it's from Stanley Jones' 1977 book, Jones's Complete Bar Guide, and was named after the heavyweight boxer Jack Dempsey. Double strain into a coupe glass and garnish with a cherry. The taste test. This is surprisingly good. I like how the rum works with the botanicals of the gin, the simple syrups are a perfect amount, and the lemon juice ties it all together perfectly. It's well balanced, simple, and very refreshing for a more booze forward cocktail. I'm going to give this a 7.6 out of 10.